Potensic have come back in a big way here with the brand new Atom 2. I cannot wait to see what this has to offer. I've got very high hopes for the Atom 2. We can see a bunch of different things down here and some exciting features. 32 minutes of flight time, 10 kilometers of range, 8K photo and 4K HDR video. There's panorama, AI night, AI track, 5 times slow motion. They've got vertical video now at 2.7K and a smart transfer feature as well. So let's get into it. I cannot wait to see what the Atom 2 has to offer here. Nicely wrapped. Let's have a look. I'm keen to see what the bag's like, what the full kit is like. This is a very exciting moment. I've been waiting on the Atom 2 actually for a little while now. So as we open it up, we can see a bag here. Ooh, and it's a new bag design here. That looks very clean. That was my big thing with the previous bag. It kind of felt like a lunchbox. This actually feels like a drone bag. It looks like a drone bag. It's got solid, strong branding here, Potensic. We've got a little interesting kind of lip design here that does not reveal anything here. We have the strap, which we can take off to open up the bag design here. Now on the sides, I can see there's no pockets. On the back, we've got like a little strap that can, you know, hoop onto some sort of hook at home or whatever fixture you've got available. So that's really cool. Loving the bag. Great to see a brand new bag design. Now, here we go. Let's have a look. What have they done with the controller? Oh, this immediately feels more heavy duty. That was the big thing I really wanted to see here. Let me just take off all of this so we can see. Oh, that is so clean. Very nice. Okay, awesome job, guys. That actually feels like a more sturdy, heavy-duty system. That flips up, which it looks like that's actually the antenna, which is quite a clean design. This still opens up like so, but it feels way more heavy-duty, way more sturdy than the previous one. It says Atom on the top here. We've got a C2 and a C1 button, 2 scrolling wheels and a shutter button. The sticks sit right here. That's where the cable looks like it's going to come. This just looks so much more premium than the previous model. Very nice job there. Now let's have a look. What else have we got here? We've got a charging hub. This looks quite premium as well. Okay, this looks quite similar. Maybe it is going to be the same or a very similar charging hub and battery system. Not a major issue, but from memory this looks very similar here. Got the little button there which is like a little charge icon, and that will display you know, what charge each battery's got. Each battery has an individual USB-C to charge and a little light indicator. We've got the in there, the out, if you want to use this as a power bank to charge your phone. So that's very nice. Now at the top here, just quickly, I believe this is just going to be a lot of the paperwork. So we've got some paperwork, some information there, and a nice breathable mesh design here where we can put some other things if we would like. Now I'm liking the bag. I cannot wait to see the drone in here, but I feel like I still need to go through the rest of this just so we know exactly what we're getting our hands on. So this is the charging brick by the looks of things. Yep, pretty standard, quite a clean white design. They could have maybe matched the aesthetic here with this grey, but no issues. And then over here we've got some spare propellers and all the cables, screwdriver and everything else that you will need in the accessories kit. Alright, now let's have a look at the main piece. Here it is right here. This is the Atom 2, what a moment. Okay, so it comes with a strap. Let me just take this off. So it comes with a strap, and it's a Velcro strap. You're tucking it into bed. That's what it looks like. Oh, I love that. Okay, so we've got the power button on the base, we've got the vision positioning system. Then as we open this up, it says remove this. There is the camera system there. We can see it says 4K. It does say f1.8. Looks like this could be something as well, some sort of sensor, possibly. Now, as we fold it open, nice bright orange tips on the propellers. This looks quite similar to the original Atom, Potensic Atom. But yeah, a few little slight tweaks here. Love the new controller. The drone looks slightly different. I can't wait to see what it can do and all the features that it has available. But yeah, that's what you can expect right there from the Potensic Atom 2. Very interesting drone kit here from Potensic.